Anna, your wish is my command. Yes, it will. We're not quite out the woods yet. I think Friday we'll see a little bit more rain getting into southern areas, but there is a change on the way, and certainly by the weekend the story will not be about the amount of rainfall, it'll be about how cold it is, and that will last right on into the start of next week. And it's not all good news, because there will be widespread frost and some icy stretches on roads as well. That is all to come. Let us review what's been happening. As you say, far too much rain yet again across the southern counties of both England and Wales through the morning. Another band of rain, sleet and snow already evident across parts of Scotland as well. Whilst we're on the subject of the south, I have to tell you that the winds in the Channel Islands have been very strong through this morning. They will be around for the next couple of hours and then gradually easing as we move on towards this afternoon and through this evening as well. For the rest of the British Isles, the rain that has plagued central and southern areas gradually moving over towards the east, probably not getting away from the far east though before dark, and then turning a wee bit more showery from the west and rather blustery conditions. That band of rain across Northern Ireland, central and southern Scotland, and then following on behind, the transition. The first signs of it already, some wintry showers getting into the far north of Scotland in what will be a chilly day, the last of the mild air in the south. And then over tonight and into tomorrow, this is what we're seeing as the transition period, where we begin to see that snow beginning to creep its way down towards the south and falling really quite at quite low levels there as well, so some difficult travelling conditions to come. And then tonight, well, to the south of that band of weather, I think the odd wet shower to the north, some wintry showers, and in between, as I say, that band of weather marking the demarcation between the cold air into the north and some mild conditions in the south. But those conditions are set to change, the cold air plunging down across the British Isles, both by day and night, some widespread frost, some icy stretches on roads, so late night travellers or first thing travellers, just watch out for that. The demarcation is this band of weather here, gradually working its way down across the British Isles through the course of Friday. And you'll notice those wintry showers getting in across the northern and eastern coast of Scotland, and then that band of weather sinking down towards the south coast, fizzling all the while. But don't get caught out if you see a little bit of sleet or snow across the Midlands and parts of Wales, for example, as we move on through Friday. And there, the change in those temperatures, 3 or 4 or 5 across the north, the last warm day down in the south, relatively speaking anyway, because this high pressure begins to build in through the course of the weekend, but see what it does. Wintry showers across the coastal fringes in many areas, some of them really quite heavy, and boy, Anna, will it feel cold come Sunday.